basically, before we can access, as a student of the National University of Nigeria, before you can access your TMA portal, your student, not student portal, actually, TMA portal, you need to, as it is now, as of the time of this recording, we never can tell what you can do tomorrow. So, as the time of this recording, you need to enter into your TMA portal through an activation code. All right, you need to enter into your TMA portal through an activation code. So in this video, I'll be walking you through how you can get to activate your student email. Now you need to get the verification code from your student email before you can access your TMA portal. That is the thing, that is the update now. So on your browser, you need to sign out of your browser first and sign in with, all right, a totally new account. Now I've done that. This is my browser. So you go to continue without an account. Right? I'm using this on my laptop, so I recommend you get one and do this very quickly. If not, if you don't have access to a laptop, you can just use your phone, but just make sure you are signed out of your browser. So I just recommend you use a browser you are not actively using on your phone. You can do Gmail, you can do Gmail, you can do Phoenix, alright, you can do any of these, and you'll be requested to actually put in your details of signing. So just deny that you're not signing in. So you can do this very quickly. So now the very first thing you are doing is to go to Gmail. The very first option, which is the option we are seeing here, Google, with the Gmail logo and with the detail, no information is available. You click on that. Okay, so please follow everything I'm doing. You click on that. So you don't create an account. You come up here and sign in. Okay, do not create an account. Come up there and sign in. Now, what do? Your noun email address should be your matric number. So let's say, for example, this is my matric number, NOU 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Then you put at, okay, noun, NOUN dot edu dot ng. Okay, now and your matric number at noun.edu.ng. Then you click on, you can see me highlighting it now. Then you click on next. You are not creating, you are signing in. Click on next. So the moment you click on next, you come here. Now this is your password. Don't forget, these are for people who has not logged in before now. All right, you have not logged in before now. If you have logged in before now, that means you have your own password. This is more like a default password. You remember when you log into your TMA portal, usually your matric numbers or username as a password. So when you are logged in, you are advised to change it. It's the same process. So it's the same matric number, but now it's in capital letter NOUN. You're slotting your matric number and you click on next. If I click on next now, it will tell me wrong password because this is just a guide. So if you click on next and it doesn't take you to your email, your now student email, that means, and it tells you wrong password, that means you have one way or the other activated the email address already. All right. So now you need to, if it tells you wrong password, you need to go and raise a ticket. How do you raise a ticket? Let me get the link from here. Just copy this. So I'm getting the link to noun email. I'm going to attach it in the description of this video so that we can also, for those of us that might have forgotten our login password. So I'm opening one for us now. This is the where you can get to generate your ticket, and it will take up to 72 hours. So just give it 3 days. Okay, after you've done this, give it 3 days. Now look at the link. Look at the link here. It says support.noun.edu.ng. That's the link. So it comes here. So let's say, for example, let's use this matric number, NOU 1, 2, 3, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. That's a matric number. Please, the phone number you are going to put in here, let it be the phone number that you used when you were registering for the semester. All right. Let's say 081 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Please, all these are examples that are not correct. All right. So put in the phone number. Don't put any other phone number. Put the phone number that you use in registering for the semester. Now click on category. The category is email and courseware. So email and courseware, after you've done that, subcategory, you put in your student email issue. Okay, then you come here, you just type in I need to activate. I need to reactivate my student. All right. Now email. Okay, I need to reactivate my student now. Email. Okay, I think that's all. There's no need for you to attach anything. Just send. Look at it. The ticket has been created. Your ticket has been successfully created and an email has been sent to your address with e-ticket information. Click on OK. Okay. Now this email that they are talking about here, the email that has been sent to you. Now you know that when you are registering for the semester as well, there's also an email you usually use. So for you to reactivate this, an email is being sent to the other email you use when you are doing your registration. That's not a problem. You will get updated after 72 hours. So just let's approximately leave it for 3 days. All right. And that will be all for that. So after 3 days, if you do not get anything, then you can go to your study center and lodge in the complaint. The same process again if you are being booked by the management that you have TMA misconduct. It's the same process you are going to follow. All right. If it have been booked for TMA misconduct, I think it's something around. Okay, let me see here. Academic registry, e-learn portal. Okay, let's see e-learn portal. Unpaid project seminar courses, e-learn login issues. Okay, basically, I think I'm not sure it's okay. That's academic registry, business creation, e-learn portal, email costly, e-ticketing, passport reset, examination result, faculty issues, industrial training, serious program. Student account. Let's see. Credit or e-wallet issues, printing of result credit. Okay, I think it's basically if you are to do this, then it should be e-learn portal, then it um should be undergraduate seminar. Okay, just click on this, then you can put in the details here that have been you have been mistakenly booked. Right, so we have that as that. So thank you very much, everyone. So we are going to call it a wrap here. Please do well to reach out to me if you still have any issues. You can visit us on our website www.tutorio.com for more updates. You have a wonderful day. I look forward to seeing you all the subsequent. Bye.